Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable stars on your Facebook Reels videos. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal lines menu. This will open a new screen, and from there, tap on your name to go to your profile page. Now, on your profile, tap on the Reels or Videos tab to see all the Reel videos you posted. At the top of the list, you'll see the option to create Reel. Tap on that, and a new screen will appear with all the photos and videos from your device gallery. You can either select a video or record a new one using the camera option at the top. Now you're in the Reels editing screen. Edit your video by adding text, music, stickers, or whatever you'd like. Once you're happy with your Reel, tap Next. On the next screen, you can add a video description, tag people or pages, and even add closed captions. Scroll down to the bottom, where you'll find the stars and earn money options. Just keep in mind that this feature is only available if your account is set to professional and eligible for monetization. To enable stars, tap the toggle switch next to stars to start receiving gifts from your followers and fans. If you're using this feature for the first time, you may need to complete some additional setup. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Once the stars monetization feature is enabled for your Reel, tap Share Now to post it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.